Hey folks, Aaron here from Beansprout. I have a stock instrument to show you, and this is a soprano. I don't build too many just kind of straight up sopranos like this, so I'm really happy to share it with you here. This is going to be for sale on the website, and maybe we'll take it to music camp if we have to later in the spring. So yeah, this is the shape from my old line in Healy soprano uke that's right there. The body is some nice Koa, a little bit of curl to it. I like the dark streaks in it. The top is some salvaged redwood. This is sinker redwood. And it's a salvaged old piece of wood, so it's got some character to it for sure. The neck is the same. It's some old growth Douglas fir for the neck. And then, for the hardwood up here in the front, we've got this reddish wood that's called jatoba or Brazilian cherry. It's a scrap from some floorboards, and it's really hard, dense wood. It's kind of like almost as hard as rosewood. So I like it for certain instruments like this where it kind of has this reddish brown look. So yeah, this one's got geared tuners. It's got little wooden strap buttons. It's got a flat fretboard. It's got dots at 5, 7, 10, and it's got fluorocarbon strings, bone nut and saddle. So yeah, I'm just really pleased with it. It's got that old time sound, I think, So yeah, that's number 1004. And like all our instruments that are made of koa, we'll be donating to plant some trees in Hawaii from this sale. Cheers.